Anh bắt đầu. Today, I would like to talk to you about how to start a movement. I am very impressive with the shirtless guy who is dancing alone. He is ridiculed by everyone around. First, the first follower is take part in, and then a crowd. A movement must be public. For me, it is so amazing and attractive. The first follower that transformed the loner into a leader. I care about environmental problems, especially the plastic pollution. We have become used to plastic bags to carry our stuff around. They are cheap and handy and readily available. But it is really worth the negative impact to our environment. Their decomposition is a very long process. So we should reduce our plastic waste. I wonder how to get people to change their minds. I don't know what to do. It is very difficult. Instead of being recycled, they are thrown out with the rest of the trash. People shouldn't be selfish. They should not only think of themselves, but also of the future generations. I ponder around it. I need to take action now. First, I will use canvas bags instead of plastic bags. A lesson I learned from the story: to be a good follower is more important than to be a good leader. So, if you really care about starting a movement, have the courage to follow and show others how to follow. Thank you for listening.
Wow, amazing, amazing. Em có một cái âm lực, cái cột khí và phát âm cực kỳ tốt. Mà với cái đà này em làm Lucas System cho chị 3 tháng là nó đẩy em đi rất là xa, ra ngoài sống sót học hành ngon lành. Chúc mừng em nghe, rất là tốt ra, giỏi ạ.
Cảm ơn chị. Dạ.